If you have a new Chevy Colorado 2023, you need running boards for it. Check out this nice new Chevy Z71 Colorado that came into our store. Look at those beautiful 6-inch black running boards. They look factory style. They go with the look of the truck. They blend right in. You can get easy entry into your truck. They have custom mounting brackets on each side, so there's no drilling required. Under here, they have existing brackets that are installed with holes underneath there. You get a nice 6-inch wide step getting in your truck. They keep the seats from wearing out. They protect the side of the truck and they help everybody get in. This is the bed cover. It's a roll-up cover, soft roll-up cover. It's like economical, out of sight, out of mind. These are two good accessories. This is the roll-up cover Truxedo. Those are the 6-inch black running boards on the new Chevy Colorado here at Truck Access Plus.